Brijesh is having a question. How can we differentiate that which PR is generated manually or which through MRP? Is it based on their PR number or any another means? So you can differentiate the purchase requisition. You need to put a process for it. Okay. You can have a purchase requisition has a document type. You can do the configuration in the system that the MRP purchase requisition can be a different document type and your normal purchase requisition is a different document type. To influence that, generally to influence that process, we use MRP groups. Okay, MRP group we use in the master data. And with that MRP group into the picture, when system create particular materials through MRP group, with MRP group, through MRP purchase requisition is generated, there is a separate document type can be used for the MRP purchase requisition. And now when the document type is different, your number range depends on the document type. Your number ranges can depend on the document type. So you can have a different number range for the different document types, and the number range can also be different for MRP purchase requisition and manually generated purchase requisition.